Hello friends, today's topic 70 lakhs loss. Watch this video fully. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Just 10 days back, we made a video after receiving an email that a channel member had lost 36 lakhs due to an investment scam by joining a WhatsApp group. The thumbnail is the WhatsApp group ನಿಂದ 36.5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಮೋಸ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. And very few people forwarded it, and let me put the blame on the people, because when everybody is losing money and we have to educate people, at least these kinds of videos you should be able to forward it to at least 100 people so that none in the future will get cheated. 3 days back we received another mail which was more disturbing and sad to read. The previous email and this email were both from channel members and our stock market workshop graduates. They have sent us emails since they have access to our email IDs. We don't know how many more such people would have lost money but not informed us. The summary is like this: lost hard-earned money to fraud, need more guidance. I am reading it as we have received. This is the same case as one which recently you have made video about. Someone lost about 36 lakhs in QIB fraud trick. I also underwent the same way, lost around 70 lakhs. Time period was 1st October 2024, 22nd October. I tried to reach you on 23rd October to seek ideas on the next course of action when I got to know that I was scammed by highly skilled people. But your official WhatsApp people told me we cannot reach you. However, I lodged a cyber complaint on 23rd October itself. Initially, I was added to the WhatsApp group and there were 300 people. They said they will give training and was published some technical analysis like Bollinger Band concept to enter and exit shares. They had shared fake e-Causeway registration certificate from US Stock Exchange and Indian Stock Exchange. Even now on SEBI site, Causeway registration agent details we can see. I was watching your channel, all videos, and you were telling that we cannot make huge profit in short term, and that is very true, sir. I had invested a few stocks for short term. Unfortunately, all were in loss because they added me to this group. Earlier also, many people added me to such group, but I was exiting all those groups. So to come out of this loss, I entered this group. As market was falling, they utilized our weakness, and I also entered just because I had to buy a site to construct a home as I am homeless with my 3.5-year-old son. However, the land rate is increasing. I need some more money, 1 crore to take the site and construct a home so that I can get from this investment. They also made us sell all stocks which are in loss, invest in their app. I lost all my hard-earned money. I don't have any land to sell. I just have a long-term SEP, monthly 25,000 to 30,000 investing of 4 lakhs. As of now, 3.73% profit the last 9 months, which are only in profit status, and 14 lakhs PF amount. In spite of repeated awareness videos regularly made on our channel, we keep getting emails, messages from people they have lost money due to various scams. Instead of saying that we have got scammed by others, we need to tell ourselves and accept that we have allowed unknown people to scam us. If we fall prey to such scams, in spite of being aware of such scams are happening, then it is only because of your greed and desire to earn money overnight. Also remember the following: if you want to earn a lot of money, you need to wait for some time. If you want money quickly, you will not get much money. If you want a lot of money and very quickly, you will surely lose all your money. This person has taken a 15 lakhs personal loan to invest in the fraudulent scheme. He wanted to know whether to sell his 4 lakhs investment in stocks, sell some gold, and take some personal loan from friends to repay the personal loan. Unfortunately, the solution is not very simple, and he has to take steps which will make his financial position more comfortable. He stated that his monthly take-home salary is 74,000 and monthly EMI is of the personal loan is 29,000. He has no other loans. He also stated that if job persists, then he can work for another 5 years and plan to build a home by taking a home loan. Our comments and suggestions. Number one, don't even think of home loan until this personal loan can be fully repaid. Two, pay the personal loan as soon as possible, considering it takes up almost 40% of your take-home salary. 3. Once personal loan is repaid, aggressively invest in stocks and mutual funds to create a corpus for retirement. 4. He has already raised a complaint with cybercrime people. Hope for the best, but don't expect too much from it. You must be extremely lucky for a positive outcome. Number 5. There is no point blaming others for this scam. Let us just accept that it was our fault and that we will never make such a mistake again. It's extremely important to control greed and emotions. Number 6. We are aware of the age of the person, but once the financial position of the family is stable, only then can he think about taking a home loan and constructing a house. 7. We hope that the net worth of this person was much higher and hence this loss would not have damaged it as much compared to a person with limited net worth. We hope that our videos have saved and will save many people from such frauds in the future. Please note that once you are a victim of such a fraud, then there is very small chance of recovering your money. Better be safe than sorry. We would have been happier if nobody would have lost money, especially after providing so much awareness about such schemes in our YouTube channel. Here is an announcement. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಭರತ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಅವರಿಂದ for all channel members tomorrow 19 November Tuesday at 9:15 p.m. live question answer session in YouTube. End of the video, here is a question. Write few sentences in case you have encountered a similar fraud and lost money so that others will learn. Type no if you have been safe. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to as many people as you know, and then if the video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.